something I'm enamoured with. We're working out a deal. As you know, here's a troop there. I do like the old prototype. But David Brother, as you know, is an ironsmith, blacksmith, whatever you want to call it. Certainly a constructor, and with David's sort of experience, this is an extremely lightweight pot hanger for 2 pots, your frying pan, and you put on there and that. It comes apart. I'm not going to steal his thunder because I'm going to get David just to show you what this is, because he's soon be for sale. And I'm kind of hoping we're trying to do a dibble on this one, mate, for me, really, aren't we? Yeah, I do like a prototype.
Yeah, so basically he makes a fire anchor which is a lot bigger than this, a lot more, you know, thicker metal.
Yeah.
But it's quite hard to put in your rucksack because of the weight of it. So sort of come up with this, do a lightweight version of it, which only weighs, I think, around about 600-700 grams, so under a kilo. And you get him, we put like I had it going yesterday with a 1 litre billy can on there and a frying pan, a little fire underneath it. Obviously it's prototype, so we're testing the, the heights and stuff like that. And it worked perfectly. Basically, as this is a prototype one, it does move around a lot just because of the, it is a prototype. But yeah, so all you do is take them off. That one comes off, and this one's in the ground. Tight.
So it literally
and
is
that's how big
what
it
you're
is.
going to see there, mate.
Yeah. And that's chuck that in a little bag, and there you go. You've got yourself an
on the go, very usable, mate. Lightweight, as you say, it's like 600 grams.
Something like that. Yeah, I think so.
Right.
600 or 700 grams.
I'm hoping to take that one home, mate. And if I do, I'll give that a measure.
Yeah.
But I'm like that, mate. You just whipped it out, 10 seconds, and it was done.
It's simple, quick, little fire at the bottom there. So I used it yesterday, and it done a cracking job. I had a frying pan, and I cooked up some sort of sausage salami type thing.
So you was feeding the face, that's unusual, sir.
Well,
that's
just
unusual.
an excuse, wasn't it?
Oh, it's got to be tested, got to be tested.
But, you know, that is, it works, and it's, put that in your rucksack.
I think with me that one of the major bugbears of that is the central pole. Is always too long, isn't it, mate? And all your brother's done there is half that up, mate, isn't it?
Just halved it up, and there you go, you see.
Yeah, it's not like changing the world or anything like that, mate, no. And they just say that's a prototype. So that one's like loose, it's just...
Yeah, because we didn't have to order some rings for these now, so they'll be tight in there. So it swings around a bit because of that, but that's because
it literally
basically we was just testing to make sure the heights are right and the length's right, and that's a good doable size. And I had a fire which was about that high underneath it, and it was cracking, brilliant. And so there we go. It's the backpacking fire anchor.
Very nice, mate. I do like that, Dave, and I'm not just saying that. I think he's onto a winner there, mate. Because he's doing some gear. You're his product tester and and designer, really, mate, aren't you? I do.
Yeah, ideas and things that I'd like to see out. Yeah. Which you can't get hold of.
Well, basically, you're designing gear for yourself, mate, and obviously it's on point. There is a reason why I do call you.
Well, if you want something, there's a need for it.
And other people are going to go for it as well, mate.
Exactly,
That's probably a good marketing strategy.
Like this is, the fire anchor works really good. Like the old squirrel cookers. Good. But the trouble with them, they're quite big.
And too heavy.
Yeah, wear that.
And the actual vertical pole is always too long. Always sticks out your Bergen and gets caught on the branches as you're walking about.
That's it. But that sort of done a really good job. So there we go.
Again, what's that? 10 inches there, mate? Do you reckon?
What there?
Right, that's about 10 inches, isn't it?
12 inches, say. But that's you can do. That slips in. I've had it in my pack, and it goes in there, no problem at all. Just a little bag and that.
Because normally what he does do is design a little bag.
Yeah, he does.
All you want is a little slip bag. Keep it simple.
That's it.
Not much more than sort of fedora nylon brown tent peg with a little tie off at the top. You tie it in a knot. You don't have to have no fancy. The more fancy you make it, one, the more expensive. Even two, kind of loses some as well, doesn't it? All these clips and all that.
It's better to make it simple but good quality.
Yeah, that's
you're
right on there, mate.
Complicated
and a bit oldie worldy. You know what I mean? Sort of all the fast tip clips. They're right if you're mooching about. But yeah, no.
So we should have now we sort of go ahead. It's all good. He's going to start knocking some of these out in the next week or two. So.
Nice one, mate. Yeah, we'll look for an update on that. I've got to be a evidence, mate. I think he's got something there. Exactly what you need to do. Your water, your pan.
Yeah.
Obviously that, they'll all fit on that one.
Yeah, and even so, yesterday when I had the fire, the fire was quite high. So I just put that out and I put the billy can straight on top of that.
Yeah.
And it just sat there and straight away, because you know when you start a fire you've got the flames, haven't you?
Yeah.
Well, there's a lot of heat generated there.
Yeah.
And that's when you chuck that on there straight away and you start pouring some water up.
Yeah, nice one, mate. But yeah, I'm quite taken by that, mate, and I'm not just saying it because the brother's making them or anything like that, mate, because I think it is, I don't think you can say better than that, because I think the Bushcraft show contacted him and he's making gear for them, mate.
They'll be at the Bushcraft show and they'll be there, and he's got some of his gear there.
Yeah.
So.
Oh, nice one, mate. You know, when a big firm like that sort of latches onto your gear, you must be doing something right.
Yeah.
And the thing is, he's bloody good workmanship, and he's probably got a good designer.
Yeah. Well,
Yeah.
I got the ideas, but he's not an outdoors person, but he likes designing and comes up with sort of ideas.
Yeah.
So I'll give him the idea, but then he puts his thing on it. You know, and so and he does all the nice finishing off with it.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
And that's what I mean.
All these little things here make a
Good.
difference. It's not, you know, it's not.
Gear ain't expensive, mate, but you get what you pay for.
Oh,
like,
for the amount of work that's involved,
Yeah.
you know what I mean? There's a lot of work involved to make these things.
Because even most people see, I'm just going to point something out. Even that, mate, he'd give that a dig so it goes in, and that most people just leave that how it was, wouldn't it? You know, like just like that. But no, he don't.
Everything's finished off.
Attention to detail.
Even to what he does with the heats it all up.
Yeah.
And puts it in oil, so it gives it
A nice
coating as well.
Yeah. No, nice one, mate.
So
No, I'm proper taken by that, mate. Yeah, I'm sure the geese as well. Watch his space, shall we say?
Yeah.
Nice one.